Collins Injera is among the big names that have been left out of the Kenya travelling squad for the first leg of the World 7 Series in Dubai. Shujaa are seeking to begin the World Series on a positive note. The team departed the country Monday afternoon for the tournament set for the 1st to the 3rd of December. Robinson Okenya reports.
As the national sevens team departed the country for Dubai, there was one notable absentee in the travelling squad. World 7 Series top try scorer Collins Injera was left out, but head coach Innocent Simiyu termed the omission as based on physical assessment.
Injera is a brilliant player. I don't think any coach in the world would not want him in his team. But also you have to do good to the player because we started late and we didn't get an opportunity to assess where his physical state is.
We are going to miss Injera so much. He's a very good player when he plays for Kenya, and I think it's just a technical matter why Injera was left out. He just needs to get there's a benchmark that has been made that he didn't get into, but we know by the next tour he'll be able to come back and be able to set the team the way he wants to play.
The team believes the challenges they have undergone in the past weeks that included a go-slow will not peg them back as they seek a perfect start in the season.
We have some very exciting players and a good blend of experienced and new players, and for us, of course, the experienced players will lead that transformation, and we believe that the players will be ready to compete by Friday.
Shujaa, who finished 7th in the World Series last season with 98 points, are targeting 10 points on each leg of the series this season.
For us, in terms of performance, our benchmark is 10 points per tournament. But of course, we'll be giving it a shot, hoping that we can play in the main cup.
I think the targets are very high. We are expecting nothing less than a win. We are going all out to try and win one of these tournaments, not one or more two, because it's something that we have proven we can, and we are all going out for this.
Kenya has been placed in Group D alongside Australia, France and Japan, and the head coach expects some of the debutants to make an impact. The travelling squad for Dubai includes Dan Sikuta and Brian Tanga from Cabras, KCB's Martin Owila, Andrew Amonda and Darwin Mukiza, who will be making a debut. Frank Wanyama and William Baka from Queens, Homeboys Leonard Mugaisi, Cyprian Kuto and Augustine Lugonzo. Mwamba's Billy Odhiambo and Nakuru's Nelson Oyo complete the squad. Dubai Sevens will bully off on the 1st of December. Robinson Okenya, KTN Sports.